In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to mask in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. So here we are in DaVinci Resolve, and now is that it's really simple actually. You just need to go here into the color tab first, and you want to make sure that your footage that you would want to mask is selected. Next is that you want to go here into this icon or into this tab. This is where you'd be able to see all the mask shapes that you'd be able to do. If you'd want to go freeform, then you would need this one right here. So I can go freeform, as you can see right there. I could now mask however I'd want. And I could also rotate this or adjust it to make it curve just like that by holding out the point. And then I would have this control. And now, once you're satisfied with the mask that you have created, is that you just simply need to right-click here. And then you want to click on Add Alpha Output. And then next is that you just simply want to go and drag this node from your footage in here into here on the color blue circle right here at the right. And then you'd now be able to see that it has now been cut out. Now, you could also go and do it for different shapes right here if you'd want to. Like for example, I would want to go for the square one, and then I would want to make it like this. And as you can see, it would now overlap with the mask. And yeah, basically this is how you could do it here. How you could do the simple masking in DaVinci Resolve. You can just choose whatever it is that you would want right here. Now, what if you would want to invert the mask? So I'm just going to remove the square mask first so that I could demonstrate better. So as you can see, this is the mask right here currently, and now you'd want to invert it. You want to click here on this button right here on the right side of the mask that you have used, and as you can see, it's now inverted. And then when you click the other one, you would now be able to remove the content itself. So yeah, this is basically it and how you'd be able to do this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.